Welcome again. So I want to show you something interesting. For example, some of your clients sent you some reference website. So and they can ask you like, actually, can you create a website like this without discussing it's a Shopify project or e-commerce project or Webflow or other things, right? So simply they send you some messages and they say something like, can you create a website like this? For example, if anyone, for example, one of your clients sent you uh, my website, something like this, right? armanhr.com, and they can tell you, right, something like, hey, can you create a personal website like me? So even you don't even know actually how they create the website and how to create a website like this. So in this case, there is a system. I'm going to copy the domain name. You should have come here. There is a website called what cms.org. Simply come to this website and paste the website URL, and you can detect the CMS from here. Just simply click here. As you can see, the website is created with WordPress, and we have used the Elementor page builder, and they are giving the version as well. As we can see, the programming language has been used PHP, database use MySQL, and Lightspeed web server. So and lots of things, right? So and in some cases actually we'll get a theme name and we'll get a theme link and lots of things. And if someone send you like a Shopify website, for example, let me show you one of our clients website, like the jewelrycap.com. For example, someone just sent you this website link and they said, can you please create me a website like this? So basically it's a Shopify website, right? But I want to reconfirm as it's a Shopify website or not. So how can you reconfirm it? Simply come here and paste the website link here. As we can see, the website is created with what Shopify, right? So this is how actually we can detect any website, how what they have used for the website, and what's plugin they have used for the website, and lots of information about the website. So I think these things are gonna help you whenever someone going to ask you some question about any website. Like actually, as I said, whenever someone's ask you like, can you create a website like this, at that time actually you should take a moment. It's going to take a little bit like 20 seconds to know actually how the website is being created. So you can really know about it, and then you can confidently say, yes, of course I can do that, as I'm compatible with Shopify, as I'm compatible all with WordPress and lots of things. So this is how actually you can easily detect as CMS, which CMS has been used for the website. So thanks. I think this is gonna help you a lot.